Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to the channel Better Communication, Better Life. In our previous videos, we discussed that communication makes the difference. Communication is very important for one, and we also saw that for better communication, one needs a good knowledge of English. And in this video, we are going to decide that how one can become a good communicator by mastering the language, that is English. One needs a good command over the language to communicate with others, but how one can do that? How one can master the language? How one can become an influencer speaker? There we saw that for learning a language, there are 4 skills. Whichever language of the world we want to know, one has to master the 4 skills. First, we know that what 4 skills are there, though we have already discussed in our previous videos. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW. Listening, S for speaking, L as R for reading and W for writing. So in this video, we are going to discuss that how we can improve our listening. Listening is the first skill to learn a language. Listening, what is listening? First we will understand. Listening means whenever some person is speaking some language, suppose somebody is speaking English and I am the listener there, I am listening. So listening means listening with understanding. Suppose someone is speaking the language that you don't know, then you are not listening, you are just hearing. There is a difference between hearing and listening. Hearing means only the sound is coming to my ears, but I am understanding nothing. And listening means I am hearing and understanding. Hearing with understanding, that process is called listening. But how we can improve our listening? Actually, the language is the total outcome of the listening. Unless and until we become a good listener, we cannot be a good speaker. So first we will have to become a good listener for becoming a good speaker. So what things are there and how we can improve our listening? So I want to throw some light on this skill. Whoever the person is speaking before me or before you, that we have to try to listen carefully. Suppose someone is speaking English, but here what happens that when somebody speaks English and we do not understand, then we stop listening. This is the worst habit. Whether you understand or not, don't stop listening. In the starting you won't understand. Nobody understands. That takes pains, and one needs practice. One needs knowledge of the language. On day 1 you won't be able to understand, but in spite of not understanding, you keep listening. Listen to some good speakers who speaks slow English. You cannot you cannot listen to the news anchors. Their English is very fast and you won't be able to understand anything. So better just listen to the speakers who speak slowly, whose pronunciation is very clear. You can listen to the debates, panel discussion on some news channels and many more things. So in this way you will develop your listening. Now listening cannot be developed in 1 or 2 days. You will have to keep patience. You cannot say, sir, I listen to the people but I do not understand them. Yeah, definitely you won't understand them in the starting. But in spite of that, just keep listening. First you will understand 10%, then the percent will increase 20, 30, 50, and a time will come when you will be able to understand 100%. So that needs time, that needs practice, and slowly and gradually, if you keep listening and at the time of listening also try to understand what does he say, and at the time of listening just copy his style, copy his pronunciation, his body language. All such things are there to be copied, because language is the outcome of imitation. So you need not make the language, as we have already discussed. You need not make the language, you just imitate from the speakers. That is the thing. So first you will have to start listening without any preparation. If you don't know grammar, that is okay. If you don't know many words, that is okay. If you don't have proper knowledge of this language, leave everything and start listening from today. And this is the only way one can improve listening. And if your listening is improved, if you are able to understand 100% what the person is speaking, then definitely you will be able to speak good also. So before becoming a good speaker, you need to become a good listener. But many people, what do? Without listening, they start speaking. It is not possible, because listening will give me some knowledge. I will gather knowledge through listening in my brain, and when some knowledge of the language is stored in my brain, then I will able to express the thing. So I hope I could make some sense. And today onwards, you just do one thing, that start listening to the people who speak good English and whose pronunciation is good, and a day will come, a time will come, you will also become very influential speakers. I hope I could make some sense, and in the next video we shall discuss over some new thing. Thank you very much.